Yeah, till now I haven't found anyone in my environment, in my
Really?
circle that
Oh my
using
god.
that thing.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why, but maybe because of they don't really know how to use it, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
And I think in Makassar still we can say less people that use this thing. I just what I know is
But
like
are
that.
you still is access here?
I think yes. I mean it will be developed time by time.
Mm-hmm. But
Huh?
you sure this is access actually
Yeah.
or not?
Yeah,
Access.
I'm sure that
Okay.
that's access.
But
And
not in your around
yeah, not
until
in my
now.
round. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And but I think in maybe time by time, if it will be like so, can say massive,
Mm-hmm.
more massive, and so I think especially for the introvert person that
Oh
are
yeah.
really lazy to go out and do interaction with other people, they can use this kind of thing to like visit overseas or
Uh-huh.
another country.
Yeah.
So that's very helpful for introvert person.
Okay.
And yeah, and I think that will be happen in my
Mm.
and around me, people around me,
Time by time.
time by time.
Okay. What about you, Wahid? Is the number one Wahid? Right?
Yeah. According to me, yeah, I don't have other person who have been do like filter tourism, yeah, because yeah, we know about our government launching this is this is filter tourism, but uh, uh, don't several people just now, but several people don't know about it. Yeah,
But are you sure this
uh,
application is access in Makassar?
I think, yeah, in my opinion, yeah,
Okay.
it's not exist
But you
in
didn't
Makassar.
found the people who using this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I get the point. Okay, directly, Samantha.
Okay, same with others. So far, I haven't find the one or the person that
Mm-hmm.
use those application or those
Mm.
virtual tourism things.
Yes.
So but I think a lot of people have been use this kind of things,
Yeah.
but not many people have known that this thing is exists.
Mm-hmm.
For example, me itself,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
I actually just know that virtual tourism is really exists.
Uh-huh.
Is really
Thank you.
exists.
Thank you for the honest.
Yes. So I think, yeah, many people don't really know or haven't know this kind of things.
Mhm.
So I think it's needs like the the interaction or the
But
to
after
show.
this, will you use it after
Yes,
discussion?
actually,
Oh,
I
oh.
am. I will use those kind of this thing
Uh-huh.
because yeah,
Uh-huh.
I think it's like just like
Mhm.
usually says that it's
Mhm.
like pre tourism.
Uh-huh.
Before you actually there,
Yes,
you
yes.
can already know, yeah, practice
Uh-huh.
as well. I
Okay.
think you already know their places, their
Mhm. Mhm.
their culture or
Mhm.
whatever.
Mhm.
So I think,
Like pemanasan, right?
yeah, pemanasan.
Okay, what about you, Tanri?
So actually, I have opened the application.
Ah, really? Oh,
Yeah.
so you are the one and only here. You are the winner.
Oh my god, not. So actually, I get the application from recommendation from Pinterest.
Hmm? Pinterest.
Yes,
Ah.
and the name of the application is Drive and Listens.
Pardon?
Drive and Listens.
Drive.
Drive and Listens.
Okay. Listen.
So the illustration about the application is there is someone drive
Mhm.
and there is the music because
Uh-huh.
the name of drive and listen. So
Okay.
it's like just someone go hang around in some country
Mhm.
and just it. We just follow the destination
Mhm.
of him.
It's look like only just open the YouTube
Yes.
and you see the situation,
Yes.
right?
So yes, and I said that before, it's not uh, our wants, but
Okay.
he wants. So it's
Ah.
like just follow the camera and go
Absolute,
there.
absolute direction.
Yes.
Yes,
Mm.
petunjuk mutlak, right? You cannot,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? Okay.
Yeah, just him.
That's technically, you are the winner because you are the one and only here. I myself now also never.
Oh yeah.
I know this term a long time, but I never not do.
But before I know wait, I never know that the name is virtual tourism.
Ah,
So
okay,
I
okay.
just opened the
Ah,
application.
you
I
just know the phenomenon, but the
Yeah.
term are not.
Yeah.
You don't know. Okay, I see. Okay, next, my question is, for you guys, could you prepare your conclusion or your vocabulary and idioms? But maybe before we going to idioms or vocabulary, maybe for the first is a conclusion. What is your conclusion, Tenri? What is your conclusion?
So mm, because as supporting our technology,
Mhm.
so also supporting our, because it's what's increasing our tourism industry.
Mhm.
So maybe you can try the application for promotes the tourism industry.
Mhm.
Yes, for surviving because
Okay.
it's a pandemic era.
Okay, next you have to searching about your idioms.
Oh yes.
Okay,
Okay.
just open your
My
gadget.
conclusion about
Mhm.
this topic, virtual tourism.
Yes.
So virtual tourism, like we just heard from our friends, that virtual tourism is the thing that we can travel around the world, many places or anywhere, without actually moving or get out of your room.
Yes.
So yeah, that's the definition. And also from virtual tourism, there is absolutely or obviously there are weaknesses, and there are
Yes.
the strength from the virtual tourism itself. For
Mhm.
example, for the strength is it's cheap,
Mhm.
and also you can save a lot of time.
Mhm.
And yeah, and for the weaknesses itself is you can't really touch your, like you just say that mental apa mental touching,
Physical.
like if you see,
Physical approaching.
yeah,
Yes.
physical approaching,
Mhm.
and you're not really satisfied.
Physical approaching and emotional
Emotional touching,
Yes.
yes. Physical touching and emotional
Yeah.
touching. Yeah, you can't really feel that,
Uh-huh.
I think.
You're gonna feel
And
the air,
yeah,
the
the
soil,
air,
the atmosphere.
the soil, yeah, the atmosphere, and
Uh-huh.
all of the things in there that
You're gonna spread your smile to the peoples. Hi, I'm
Yeah.
Indonesian. I'm very.
yeah, take a picture. It's one of the important thing that we can
Yeah.
take a picture and then
Yeah.
post on our
Yeah,
social
yeah.
media.
To be accessed on social media. It's a must for Indonesian.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Be ready. Your idioms or your vocabulary. 2 of them is a must. Okay, open your internet. What about you, Wahid? What is your conclusion about this? Our
the
topic
question-
tonight.
The question about the virtual tourism, yeah, we know about the virtual tourism is the way we can go to, we can go to other place without with tips, without go to anywhere, just stay in our home, lay in
Mhm.
the sit down in home, lay up
Yes.
in home. Yeah, we said that we know about, yeah, same with Samantha.
Sam with Sam.
Sam.
Sam with Sam.
Sam
Okay.
with Sam. There is, yeah, there is advantage and a disadvantage. Yeah, for advantage, yeah, we can prevent or spreading the COVID-19. Yeah, because, yeah, we know about the COVID-19 is decrease in increase in.
Mhm.
For the second, yeah, we know about we know about new experience, new knowledge about the another about the other places.
Okay.
For the third, yeah, it's cheap. Yes, we just sit down in our home. And the fourth, yeah, just we access in our internet in by smartphone, our laptop. Yeah, but we know the advantage. Yeah, we cannot feel like uh touch. What's
Emotional
yeah,
passion.
it's emotional
Emotional
touch.
and physical.
We cannot like take like in beach in beach we can cannot
You can put your
take
arm, you can put your hand, you can put your
the
foot and the
foot,
soul and the land, right?
yeah.
And the touch of the air, the
It's,
water.
we
right?
cannot talk. For the second, yeah, because we need in what is internet. Yeah, we have to
How
have
if you want
like
to poop in virtual tourism?
improve. Yeah, just
kidding.
new knowledge, new knowledge. Yeah, we know about the Vita Tours. Yeah, we have to have like good connection. Yeah, if there is yeah buffering. Yeah, it's just disconnect like
Buffering, yeah? Not
Buffering.
buffer.
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 Buffering.
Buffering about
Yes.
it. Yeah, yes, we have to. Uh, yeah, we have. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's interested. For join in Vita tourism. Yeah,
Before
it's,
you visit real.
yeah, very visit real the real time about it.
But
Okay,
not the real product, right? Okay. Come on,
True.
skip. Okay, what about you, Yusril?
Yeah, the conclusion that I can get from this topic tonight is we live in a 4.0 era. So this is one of the product of 4.0 era. So we realize that we already recognize that in 4.0 era everyone comes with their new idea. So we have to we can say we have to always learn about something,
Right.
especially in technology. So we cannot live left behind. So in order to how to say find a new thing, so we can say we can exist in the 4.0 era. I think just it.
Okay, right. Okay, prepare your idioms and your vocabulary, guys. I start from the Tenri first for the idioms. Idioms first.
Yes, I do
Yes.
first. A mile, a minute,
Mm-hmm.
very fast.
Mm-hmm.
The second is just the tickets, meaning exactly what is needed or wanted.
What is Indonesian?
A mile,
Because
a
I mean it
minute
Indonesian.
is
Bahasa.
sangat cepat.
Uh-huh.
Just the ticket is what is needed or wanted, apa
Mhm.
yang diinginkan,
Okay.
yang dibutuhkan.
Okay. What about your vocabularies?
Interest, the
Mhm.
first interest, interaksi,
Mm-hmm.
emission, emisi, decrease, mengurangi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, finish.
Okay. Thank you, Tenri. Prepare your foreclosed statement. Only one sentence. Okay, what
Okay.
about you, Samantha? Sam.
For me,
Idioms
the
first.
idioms first.
Yes.
Not actually. Is it idiom? Oh, okay, okay. For example, road trip. Road
Mhm.
trip. That's mean a trip that's taken by car.
Indonesia.
That means sebuah perjalanan yang melalui yang menggunakan car. Apa?
What is it?
Mobil.
Car.
Car.
Okay.
Yeah. For the vocabulary that I got today is, for example, VR.
Mm-hmm.
There are many people not really actually already heard VR thing, but they are not really actually the
It
meaning of VR. The meaning of
virtual reality.
virtual reality.
Yes.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
that stands for virtual reality.
Mhm.
That means that it's virtual. Like it's online, but you can't really feel like you are in the
Uh-huh,
reality,
uh-huh.
in the reality, or the actual thing. How to say
Means
in
that
Indonesia?
Kecanggihan nyata.
Yeah,
Virtual
kecanggihan nyata.
virtual reality.
Virtual reality.
Uh-uh.
And another vocabulary example like physical thing, that means your
Uh-huh.
physic, and also emotional thing, that's something emotional touching, that means something that connect or
Just translate into Indonesia because
okay,
this is a
that means
vocabulary.
that means emotional
Sentuhan emosi.
sentuhan emosi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's all from me.
Okay, thank you. Prepare your closing statement in one sentence. If we still have time. Okay, what about you?
Idiom 6 and 7, it means confused,
Uh-huh.
bingung.
6 and
7.
okay. What about 5 and 8?
I don't know, yeah, just I have got in my book
Mhm.
6 and 7, it means bingung. For example, I am 6 and 7 about my final task.
Okay.
The vocabulary it, tourism it means kepariwisataan.
Mhm.
Means,
Okay, thank you. What about you, Yusril?
One of the idioms that I can share to you guys is whatever will be.
Mhm.
Have you ever heard that? Apapun yang terjadi terjadilah.
Okay.
Whatever will be. Yeah, and
Like a song.
vocabularies is first is
It is
massive.
what it is.
Massive means the yang besar-besaran,
Mhm.
massive. And then overseas.
Mhm.
Ya, artinya luar negeri.
Okay.
Or you can, the synonym is abroad. Yeah. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you guys for coming here in our second home. Forever. That's all our conversation about our topic tonight. The topic is a virtual reality. And see you for the next week as usually every Tuesday on 7 p.m. at Smartfm 101.1 The Spirit of. And bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.